What's up, guys? So I'm sitting here at Rojee's garage and nobody's here. I'm sitting by myself. Got the other truck next to me that got the headers done. I'm just waiting for Rojee. But what we're gonna do is get the intake on, the Fastman 84mm throttle body, and we're gonna do the ATI Underdrive Pulley. And a 71.5-inch belt is what you need for it. I think 2013 and up, you need 71.5-inch serpentine belt. He's probably getting that, and I'm just sitting on my ass waiting. Oh, here he is! Junk box. Making me wait. Making a brother wait. He really likes his truck, doesn't he? Looking back at it. What are you doing? What's up, kid? Alright, move this heap of crap. I gotta get to my truck. Alright, I got the intake right here, the damper. Mark just picked up the belt. And here's the throttle body from Fastman.
You believe that belt was 70 bucks?
What?
70 bucks for that belt?
That was not $70 belt, dude. You charge me $70, I'll kill you. Better move that thing. My truck's going in. Let's do this! Isn't that beautiful? Fastman does a good job. It's nice. .84mm half shaft.
What?
I'm not talking to you. I'm making a video. Half shaft. Dude, easy with my leg maker.
Yeah?
That's my diesel lower box, dude. Gentle.
That thing does nothing.
Oh yeah, put the leg maker on the top. Yeah, it's scratched now. Alright. So we're gonna take that. I know. Did you break that? That's the diesel cone. It's a bigger cone.
So it switches your... Oh, you got a wire to move it over to here?
Yeah, that's for the leg maker. Are you alright?
I just don't know. I didn't...
I so didn't.
This is how drunk
Dude,
Mike gets.
don't watch your mouth. There it is. I brought Mark Rojee. TunedRAMS sticker, baby.
Oh.
Carbon fiber.
So I'll put this one on now then.
You're welcome.
I
That's
got
Merry
two.
Christmas. All the things I do for you. And what do you do for me? You overcharge me. That's what you do. Dude, I will scratch your truck. Mr. Rojee is popping his cherry. Clean that windshield. You been working out?
Huh?
You been working out?
A little bit. Watch your keys.
Dude, I will scratch your truck with my knife.
There we go.
Oh, popped his cherry. There it is. Finally got it on. What is wrong with you?
Nothing. What's wrong with you? Get off my truck. Alright, we're good. That
Well,
looks...
now you gotta go back and smooth it out.
I just did, dude.
That's awesome. Welcome to the club, buddy. You've only been part of the family since it started. 2 years. That was awesome.
Since it started, I started
TunedRAMS.
it with you. What is
Yeah,
wrong
buddy.
with you?
All right, V6 electric fan is out. See, this is why I like clutch fan delete. I mean, you get all this room.
I have no motivation right now.
That's great. That's good to know, man. Good to know.
Remove the belt.
Belt's off.
Dent Mike's radiator. Check.
Mike's radiator is not dented. No. It's coming.
The pulley is?
Yeah, no.
I don't know. I can't see it. Yep.
I just heard it release. Nice. Pulling pulleys takes time, right,
No,
Bob?
it doesn't take time if you have the right puller.
Assembly. All
Yo.
right, so we lined up the hub,
I can get it for
the
you.
balancer, put Loctite in all these T40s.
I'll bring it over to you in a minute.
Just follow the instructions, really. You don't really have to. I mean, this is for an LS. There's no instructions stating Hemi.
That's
but
for an LS.
It's common
you said.
sense. Well, so are my springs in my head. And then that goes on.
No, I need
Oh,
it.
that fits nice.
I know I need to torque this biatch, kid.
It's supposed to have 9 bolts, and Mark, You know, we're contacting Matt Fitcack, because Matt Fitcack, you know, is
Well,
helping us out.
I counted.
And who says we only have 6 bolts?
I counted 4.
This kid.
There was 2 under my shoe.
He's torquing it right now, but there's 6 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then we're gonna torque the other 2.
5, 6. There's 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. You come on. You're an idiot. Why is there a big boat of a Buick in your garage? So there's 6 over there, and then we put these 3 on with washers and Loctite right there onto the pulley.
Give me that!
All set. Mark got scared. We figured it out.
I didn't get scared.
So here's the old crank pulley. $5. Who wants it? Nah, I'm keeping that. You never know. Supposedly these ATI super dampers have to be rebuilt after 5 years. And hopefully we won't have the truck that long.
Yeah, dude, 16 pounds is absolutely nothing.
Torque of the T40s to 16 pounds.
That ain't doing much. Let's see, where's the bolt?
Damper's on.
Where's the bolt? Where's the bolt?
Bolt's right there. Anti-seize.
Some internet will tell me that I'm ruining the pulley, putting it on with an impact gun. I don't care, it's not mine.
You can't see it from Marston Mills, right? Belt's on?
I just gotta do the belt. Let's hope that we got the right size.
It might be lined up. It looks like it's lined up.
It looks like it's lined up.
It's gonna give me 10 horsepower. What's this gonna do?
45. You shut that off, the sooner we can get back to our conversation.
Wow. All right, guys. ATI Underdrive Damper pulley is in. I got it from Moe's Performance. It's in the truck. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna make this a separate video. Next is the intake manifold and the throttle body, which is the easiest mod in the world. So this will be pretty quick.
I'd rather do the pulley.
See what I gotta deal with? You're a pain in my ass.
I'm good.
All right, guys, that's the ATI Damper pulley. Stay tuned.